Brandon Owen, and welcome to Encore Minute for the weekend of July 4th. Now, as you can probably tell, today we are down in Washington, D.C. Behind me is the United States Capitol building, and there's a tent in front of it where they are getting ready for the Capitol 4th celebration. Of course, Washington, D.C. is one of the places you definitely want to be on July 4th. There'll be hundreds of thousands of people where I am right now. Now, of course, right now there's nobody, but this place will become crowded with folks as we get closer to July 4th. Now, the first part of the evening is going to be a concert that's going to feature everyone from Aretha Franklin to Natasha Bedingfield. All kinds of who's who of musicians will be performing, and the entire evening will be hosted by actor Jimmy Smits of NYPD Blue fame. So part one of what you're going to want to see down here is the Capitol 4th music. Part two of the evening is what everybody is really looking forward to. It's going to be the fireworks display that will be taking place right behind my shoulder. This is one of the better places to view the fireworks, of course, along the National Mall. But you can pretty much see them at locations along the Tidal Basin, just Northern Virginia, anywhere like that. It's pretty easy to spot them anywhere around here. Travel tips for those of you who will be coming from Carroll on down. It's good to know that the Smithsonian Station will be open. That's different than previous years when it was closed for security reasons. This year it will be open, so you can actually take the Smithsonian stop, which is just a few steps away from where I am right now. And that'll get you out here onto the National Mall. The Metro will be running until 3 a.m. And if you don't want to go down to D.C. and you're saying, hey, I want to go to Westminster, I want to go to Baltimore, when are those fireworks displays? Well, we got you covered. We have a full listings of more than 25 fireworks displays that will be shooting up throughout the region. You can find that in Thursday's edition of Encore, which is in the Life and Times section of the Carroll County Times. Now that'll do it for this week. I'm Brandon Owen, and we'll see you again next week where we'll be somewhere else new and exciting and probably a little bit closer to home.